we're going to look at owned computer. So we're going to complete the form. So now, okay, here you click on the form, then the form will open, and then it shows you the details. And like all our forms, we have educational material if you want to learn more about computer. So own computer, basically what it means is if you are not using the computers as plant and equipment, producing income with them. These are mainly for when you're running a business, then you need to use computers to operate, then you classify them as under computers. And then if you are selling computers, then it becomes a totally different story. Then they become your stock. So that's how you differentiate it. And most businesses, if you are not a computer business, then you classify them as computers. And they can be physical computers, like the laptop like this, or it could be the software, where you're buying a Microsoft, whatever, or whatever the software that you're buying. Sometimes you buy software, or you develop a software, like we develop Super Dealmaker, then that becomes a software and it becomes an asset. So it's not only the physical asset, it could be the software or the hardware. So you just have to define it accordingly. And then I can create a new one, or you can edit this one, okay, or you can delete this one, depending on the needs of your business. Does your business need computer? Yes, if it needs computer, then from the one that the system has generated, we say yes, we have data. The name of the asset, we need laptops. Let's say is okay, advertising Dell laptops here. And then it's the first time that we buy computers, we're buying new ones. And then it's for the operations in Step Park. And then for use, they will be used in the office. The type here, is it a hardware, software? Let's say it's a hardware. We're buying hardware, then we're buying maybe 10 computers, and then we are buying from, let's say, Dell. Buying from Dell as a supplier. The cost is per item, so that it can calculate. Then the cost is one laptop is 8,000. And then do you have quotations? Yes, we're using quotations. No, we don't need funding. Then start date is when you're going to put those computers into operation with the 25th of August, but you can change the date. Depreciation is default, it says 33.33%. Generally, computers are depreciated over 3 years. So that's why that 33.33, because computers, they get outdated quickly. So as a business, you can should depreciate them over 3 years, which is that 33.33. But I mean, sometimes you use computers for more than 5 years, then you can put 20%. So the depreciation is how much value the computer will lose each and every year. So if you say 33%, it means the computer will lose 33% of the value each year. So you're going to use them for 3 years. That's why. If it's 20%, it means you're going to lose the value over 5 years. Because if you take 20% each year, then it gets to over to 5 years in terms of using that asset. So that's how the depreciation work when you're looking at the asset. Is it bonded? No, it's not bonded. And then it's just to improve. We put high-tech stuff. Then this one is just to improve efficiency. And then we, most importantly, confirm the data. And then we say confirm. So once the changes have been confirmed, they're updated. You can see we're buying 10 computers for 8,000 each. And then we've created, then we can go back to the dashboard, and the dashboard will show you that own computers have been updated, the form is complete, and the data is confirmed. And that's how you complete the own computer form. I thank you.